Hi, my name is Benny Blanco. This is going to be my step-by-step guide on how to fix your credit and build it from the ground up. First and foremost, in order to begin on your credit journey, you first need to know what's on all three of your credit reports. And for that you have to go to www.annualcreditreport.com and get a free copy of your TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax reports. Once you receive a copy of all three credit reports, you can now start to identify all the negative and inaccurate personal information that is on each of your credit reports that are having a negative impact on your credit scores, such as collections, late payments, charge-offs, repos, medical bills, incorrect spelling of your name and multiple names, addresses, jobs, social security numbers, phone numbers, date of births, and so on. So now that you have all three credit reports printed out, we can now start to work on cleaning up your credit profile before we even think about disputing anything that is bringing your credit score down to the basement. You want to look at each credit report from the three credit bureaus. Now check your personal information. You should only have one name spelled correctly, one address spelled correct, one phone number, the most recent one you have now, one date of birth, one job, the most recent job you have today, and one social security number. This is the most important first step to fixing your credit and the easiest step. The reason why I say the most important step is because the personal information that you have on your credit report is what's linking your credit profile to the negative accounts. So, once you start removing all unnecessary names, dates of births, addresses, jobs, phone numbers, and social security numbers off of all three credit reports, the credit bureaus can't verify the accounts that were linked to your personal information when you first opened the accounts, because you removed all the personal information off your credit reports. And removing your personal information is the easiest first step. Because all you have to do is pick up the phone and call the credit bureaus one by one and explain to them that under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, the credit bureaus must keep accurate information and up-to-date information on all credit reports, and you are looking at your credit report and are seeing inaccuracies with your personal information. Explain to them in detail that your credit profile should only have one name, address, phone number, job, date of birth, and social security number displayed. And any other inaccurate personal information on your credit report must be removed and brought up to date under the Fair Credit Reporting Act. Make sure you give them the correct information you want listed on your credit report in correct spelling. This is very important to move forward. Contact Experian at 714-830-7000, then press 2 to speak to a representative. Contact Equifax at 1-888-836-635. 1, then press 2 to speak to a representative. Contact TransUnion at 1-800-916-880, then press 2 to speak to a representative. These are the first steps you have to take in order to move forward on your credit repairing journey with me.